Have a shower. I usually have a shower before dinner. Have dinner with my parents. I have dinner with my parents every evening. Read a book. I read a book before going to bed. Phone my friends. I phone my friends to catch up. Send a text. I send a text to confirm the meeting. Take the rubbish out. I take the rubbish out every night. Meditation. I practice meditation to relax my mind. Set the alarm. Don't forget to set the alarm for tomorrow morning. Go to sleep. I go to sleep after reading a book. Have lunch. I have lunch together at the office. Eat out. They eat out at a restaurant on weekends. Pack a lunch. I pack a lunch for my kids every morning. Work. I work late every night. Study. I study English for 2 hours each evening. Go to a meeting. I go to a meeting every afternoon. Attend a class. I attend a yoga class after work. Do research. I do research on new technologies. Write a report. I write a report for my boss every week. Take a nap. I take a nap after lunch. Run errands. I run errands in the afternoon. Go shopping. I go shopping every weekend. See a doctor. I see a doctor for a checkup. go to the gym. I go to the gym 3 times a week. Play sports. I play sports with his friends every evening. Spend time with family and friends. I spend time with her family on weekends.